ClickSmart Plus. How to pair the smart 13A fused connection unit. Open up the ClickSmart Plus app. Before pairing the smart FCU, make sure you have the ClickSmart Plus hub set up and paired to the app. On the home screen, tap the plus button in the top right hand corner, then add Device. Next, tap Smart FCU. Select your paired gateway hub. Follow the on-screen instructions. If your smart FCU is not in pairing mode, tap Resetting Devices and follow the on-screen steps. Then press Continue. Once the orange indicator is blinking, tap to confirm and then press Next. The app will now add the smart FCU to your account. This may take a few minutes. The smart FCU has been successfully added. Tap Done. You can now control the smart FCU through the app. The smart FCU can also be locked on or off so nobody can tamper with the connected appliance. Make sure to change the name of your smart FCU so it can be easily accessible and used with voice commands. Press on the pencil icon next to the device. Then tap Name. Change the name to your preference. You are now ready to use your smart FCU. All ClickSmart Plus products are compatible with Alexa and Hey Google. ClickSmart Plus, making your home smarter.